How to use Credit Karma Save account to earn interest. First of all, open your browser and go to the official Credit Karma website. Log in using your registered email and password. Once you are on the main dashboard, look for the section called Money. Then tap on it to begin setting up your savings account. Follow the on-screen prompts to open your Save account. You will need to enter some personal information and agree to the terms. It only takes a few minutes. After your account is created, you can start transferring money into it. Use the transfer button to move funds from your linked bank account or from Credit Karma spend account. The money you save here earns interest automatically. Credit Karma Save offers a competitive interest rate, so the more you deposit and keep in your account, the more you will earn over time. You can view your interest earnings directly on the Save dashboard. The amount updates regularly and adds to your total balance. Remember, there are no hidden fees or monthly charges. It's a simple way to grow your money passively just by saving. Now you know how to use Credit Karma Save account to earn interest. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more financial tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.